You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Friday after reports Spain was on the brink of requesting a bailout led to a rise in risk appetite, whilst recent central bank easing also encouraged an optimistic outlook. The greenback ended the day at 1.2978 to the euro and 78.16 to the yen. Today's data includes the Chicago Fed's National Activity Index and the Dallas Fed's Manufacturing Index. Next to the euro. The euro rose initially on Friday following reports Spain was in talks with the EU about an aid package and following recent ECB action. The single currency ended the day at 101.43 to the yen and 0.7996 to the pound. The German IFO Business Sentiment Survey headlines the economic docket on Monday. British pound. The pound traded higher on Friday following a smaller than expected public sector net borrowing figure, a comparatively upbeat outlook for the UK economy, and the fact that the BOE had not increased QE also supported sterling. Sterling ended the day at 1.6228 to the dollar and 126.83 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Friday after news that Spain was inching closer to a bailout supported already strong risk appetite and reduced safe haven demand. Recent action by the BOJ also contributed to yen weakness. The Japanese currency ended the day at 78.16 to the dollar and 101.43 to the euro. Today's data includes the Corporate Service Price Index, which is expected to show a minus 0.3% drop in August. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3 with targets at 1.292 and 1.2885 in extension. Above 1.3, which will look for further upside with 1.3045 and 1.307 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.625 with targets at 1.6195 and 1.616 in extension. Above 1.6025, which will look for further upside with 1.6027 and 1.6031 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 78.35 with targets at 77.95 and 77.7 in extension. Above 78.35, which will look for further upside with 78.5 and 78.75 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.